Hi, good morning to you. My name is Esther Salami, and you're welcome to Training Today on the News Chronicle. First, we'll be starting up with the late Herbert Wigwe, which memorial service was held yesterday in Lagos State. Several world leaders, including Emmanuel Macron and President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, was represented by Minister Wali Edun, paid tribute to the former Access Bank Holdings CEO who passed away along with his wife and his son Chizzy in an helicopter crash on February 9th, 2024. They all praised Herbert Wigwe for being a visionary leader and also for improving Nigeria's relationship with France. That his soul rest in peace. And then moving on onto the Super Bowl, which held in the United States yesterday, the Philadelphia Eagles won the Kansas Chiefs by 40 to 22. Yes, it was a massive victory. You know, a lot of history was made. Kendrick Lamar became the first solo rapper to perform at the Super Bowl. Donald Trump also became the first president of the United States to attend the Super Bowl, and then several other celebrities were in the show. John Baptiste also was the first musician to render the national anthem. That's the U.S. national anthem. It was a great performance overall. And be sure to like this video and share with your community. Make sure to read about the stories at our news website, the news-chronicle.com, and I'll see you tomorrow.